Uh, well, no one can see any of this, but doing a little night fishing. No, I normally don't do this. I like fishing for bass. Well, I generally like fishing in the daytime, but who knows? I had a weird feeling, and there's definitely some good catfish around here. So, here we are. Nice little bonfire, food, cooler. Can't see. Yeah, rapids, which are very dangerous, and the night sky, which you probably, well, you can see a little bit of it, I guess. It's a bit cloudy. Little stuff going on here, there, but this is night fishing. It's pretty boring, and I don't really like it that much, but cook some food, have some drinks, listen to bells. Yeah, why not? Alright. I'll let you know later. Bye bye.